so that's the top bet coming in. The pre-open rates are trickling in, and there seems to be a bit of a red tick, not by a whole lot. 20,150 is what we are looking at when it comes to Nifty, and the Sensex down about 70 points. Let's quickly track some of the stocks as well. Let's start with Tata Steel itself in terms of what reaction are they getting to that restructuring. The likelihood of it is that it will start in the green, and that's the pre-open rate coming for you, 2% higher. In fact, let's discuss that further with Aditya Welekar, the Senior Research Analyst at Axis Securities, joining us on the show. Aditya, hi, good morning. Thanks so much for making time. Your first take as to the deal that the UK business has managed to struck.
Yeah, good morning. So the first reaction is positive. The overhang on the stock, which was there because of this UK restructuring, that is to a large extent it is now removed. Only thing is the employee negotiations with the unions, that is one pending area which will decide the full restructuring amount in future. So if that comes out well, then this is overall a positive news. But the first step itself is positive, the 500 million pounds grant from UK government. So the company has also said that they will be saving some cost with the electric arc furnace installation as compared to their previous blast furnace. So overall, good escape for Tata Steel from that loss-making UK unit.
The management is talking about a 60 to about $75 per ton kind of in saving. Do you think that will also entail more than efficiency, some job cuts also? Aditya?
Yeah, so that saving of 150 to 125 pounds per ton, that includes. Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
I think we lost his feed there. My limited point is that markets knew this was coming. Incrementally, this is something which has been an overhang. Tata Steel has not commanded a hefty premium, even though at the peak of the cycle. Why? Because even though India business had a glorified and a glorious 2021, and they ended up making profits which were higher than even TCS. Yeah, I think 2020, FY22, FY23, Tata Steel had profits which were higher than that of TCS.
Really?
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
Hard to imagine.
Yeah, that must be some windfall gain that must have happened or something, because it's just hard to imagine. Interesting.
But that's how the cycle was.
Data.
That's what I mean. I'm absolutely clear in my head that that was the right number, but I don't know the quantum. Just Google it for last year.
Yeah, and I'm just trying to do that because I'm just surprised as to what led to that. It could be the case that it happened, but what was the reason for
That's
that?
what. See, what had happened
after
COVID was that interest rates came down. When interest rates they come down, as the new capex cycle which started, commodity stocks were in a multi-year bear run. The demand really started coming up. So there was a huge comeback trade in commodities. So global commodity prices which were at a multi-year low, because the way how liquidity came down, the demand structure in late 2020 and 2021 changed completely. So I think for FY22, Tata Steel had this very amazing record year, so to speak. But what is the khabar? For all the khabar, let's go to Sharath.
Well, yes, in focus.